Hello, Caroline here. Today I'm preparing for December, and the first thing that comes to my mind is a Christmas tree and gifts. I grew up in Germany, and there we had all 4 seasons. I remember always being so excited to set up the Christmas tree. At one point we actually had a real Christmas tree, not a plastic one. And I also looked forward to the first fall of snow. As usual, I started out with the outlines. To make the tree stand out more, I used a thicker pen for the overall outline and thinner pen for the details. The quote on the right side says, "At Christmas play and make good cheer, Christmas comes but once a year," by Thomas Tusser. I didn't realize until after recording that I misspelled the second Christmas word. Well, it's not something new, I guess. Anyways, I went ahead and colored the Christmas tree green with red ornaments and red gifts on the bottom. Also, I saw the design of the Christmas tree from JannPlansThings and leave her details in the description box below. The way she can draw and fills in her bullet journal themes is so beautiful. I think I got the idea of using watercolors from her, and I was very inspired. To finish off the Christmas tree, I added some shadows and gold accents to the star on the top and the ribbons of the gifts. The next few pages I didn't really like as much as I loved the cover page, so I just sped that part up. But basically I used a longer calendar and a mood tracker in the shape of an ornament. I haven't done a mood tracker in quite a while and wanted to give it another shot. For the first weekly, I wanted to do a scene with a fireplace and a Christmas tree, candles, socks, and gifts. Almost thinking of it as very cozy and festive. The tree is in the same style as the cover page, and then I added some more ornaments on the left side. And we are at the end of the video. If you liked it, click the thumbs up button and subscribe button. All the materials I used are in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!